Hello, my name is Natasya Oktrianny, and in this video I will give a tutorial on how to make a game in Educandy. First, you open Google and type Educandy in the search bar. Then, click Educandy making learning sweeter. And now, the first step you need to do is create an account. Since I already have an account, I'll just explain the steps. Your first step is to click Sign in the upper right corner here. Then click Register. After that, enter your username that will be used on Educandy and type your email here. Then click Register. At this stage, there will be an incoming email to your account where you will be directed to change the password. Just click the link in your email. After that, type in your new password and don't forget to remember it, because this is very important to get into Educandy. And after entering the password, click Reset Password and you have successfully created your account. After that, return to the Educandy display and enter the username or email address and password that you created earlier. Then click Login. And this is the initial look at Educandy. There are 3 lists of games that you can make. First, there are words that have 3 types of games, namely word search, spell it, and anagrams. The second is matching pairs, which have 4 types of games, namely noughts and crosses, crosswords, match up, and memory. And the last one, there are quiz questions that only have 1 type of game, namely multiple choice. And let's just make the first game. Just click on words here. And we type the name of the activity and the subject of the activity. For example, here I will use English for the activity name. And animals for the activity subject. Here we type a word related to animals. For example, crab. Then click Add word. And do the same for other words. And to share the game that you have made, you can copy the link below the share quiz activity and paste it into groups or friends on your social media. After that, you select the type of game you want to play. Here I will choose anagrams. Just click on it and play the game. It's easy, right? Now let's try the second game. Click matching pairs here. And just like in the first game, we enter the name and the subject of the activity. Here, I use Indonesian for the activity name. And fruit strip color for the activity subject. And click Create. Here, there is a difference from the first game. We need each word for the question and the answer. And there are 3 options to make the question. It's text, image, and sound. Here I will use text. I'll just give an example. I use alpukat and hijau. Then click Add Pair. And do the same for other pairs. After that, you select the type of game you want to play. Here, I will choose Match Up. Just click on it and play the game. And now we try the last game. Click Quiz Questions here. Then again type the name and subject for the activity. Here I type math for the activity name and addition and subtraction for the activity subject. Then click Create. Unlike the previous 2 games, here we have 2 types of question and 4 answers. And there are also 3 options to make the question: text, image, and sound. Here I will use text as well. I'll just give an example. For the question, 4 plus 3 equals, and type 7 in the answer for the correct answer. Then add 3 other answers, such as 6 in alternative 1, 8 in alternative 2, and 9 in alternative 3. Then click Add Question. And do the same for other questions. After that, click multiple choice and play the game. And that was the tutorial for making games in Educandy. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you for watching this video.